What's up everybody, it's your boy Reme, aka Remeoshi. Today we're doing a review on this. I've got a package from Amazon, we're going to open it and see what's inside this bad boy, alright? We know what it is because you saw the title, so you know what it's going to be anyway. Alright, so let me open it up and let you guys see what's inside of it, okay? Cool. Alright guys, so here we have it here, the Stylefile marker. Guys, so here we have it here, the Stylefile marker. Okay, I think there's like 74 in this pack. And alright guys, so I'll take the packaging off. It looks pretty nice as well. Just to let you know, they're like 140 something pound on Amazon. I went for this one because the other ones are too expensive and others are too cheap. So I think that this is a healthy in the middle. And it comes with this nice case as well. Like, got a nice little storage case. See? Look at that. Cool, man. We've got a couple of tasks today. First and foremost, we're going to use these pens. First task we're going to do is just play with them. Make some marks with them, do some hatching, test the colors, make some crazy shapes. Let's see how they actually feel in my hand and how do I actually like them. After that, my second task is going to test all the colors, see how they look, how they blend together, just see how the blending is. As you saw, that's on a quick doodle, nothing crazy, nothing spectacular. It blends pretty well, pretty cool, man. And you saw that kind of quick, but if you take your time, you can imagine how it could be as well. I noticed the harder you hold the black pens, the better it's gonna be. And so up here, when I was like flicking it, it was fading out. I was like, oh, they're a bit dead. But then I did harder lines, and when you do the harder lines, it comes more stronger, so definitely are good as well. They are strong, so they will leak through. They have leaked through, and I have 2 sheets of paper here. So if you're gonna use them, please have a backup. Like, have like another paper that you don't care about in between. So pretty cool. Now, okay, so the pens are pretty cool. Okay, we got the thin side for the fine lining. This is some more stuff you wanna do, coloring in. Keep in mind, you wanna color in with them. You already want to ink up already. You want to be inked up and ready to go, okay? You want these to be the coloring in, literally. All right, so thin side, and we got the thick side, okay? We got the thick side of it. I was at board and I was at work, and I was in a little graffiti. It's not finished yet. I need to fix up a little bit. And I thought, you know what? I'll color this in, and you guys can see how it looks. And my second or fourth, whatever task it's gonna be, is to do the front cover of Remeoshi. I print this out. Why draw it again? I've already drawn it. And we're gonna color this in with the Stylefile markers. All right, we're gonna see how they look. So those are my tasks today. Let's get the footage going. Zoop, let's go. See you on the other side. Hello, I'm back and I'm ready to color for you guys now. So I outlined this one a bit more, added some texture around it, make it a bit more interesting. Quite happy with that. Now I'm gonna color it in with the Stylefile markers. All right, cool. Let's go into the water police. Alright guys, here it is. First time using the Stylefile markers. There we go. Not bad, blending's decent. But it's a lot better when you use very similar colours. Like this was like a deeper orange and a light orange and you can't tell. It's a natural blend. So I think if you're doing it, use colours that are very similar to each other and you get a smooth blend. Going from this kind of tone to that tone, it's a big jump, so you're gonna see it. I'll do my best, but the more you use them, the more you understand, the more you use them to help you in the right type of way. Okay. Alright, let me give you guys a closer view now. Alright guys, as you can see here, I coloured it in with the Stylefile markers. It was pretty good as well. Like I mentioned before, if you come around here, I used like a deeper orange, and as we came up here, we used a similar orange. You can see the blend is smooth, like the blend is nice. As we came up here, it breaks away a little bit. You have to really mix in the colours here. Use a circular motion with the felt tips. Like I said, it's my first time using it, but I'm pretty happy how it came out as well. Alright, so yep, that's one down. Now we're gonna go to the second task, number 2. Cool. Okay, right. So I've got the front cover right here, and I've got my black and white version that I'm gonna do. I've put them into groups, and I've tested the colours here. So I tested the skin colour, the tones, the outfit colours, and see what is gonna go best. Remember, I've done this digitally, so this is done by computer. Alright. So I'm not gonna get everything exactly the same, but I'm trying to find something similar. Alright, so we've got size colours here. Alright, tested. We've got Kimbu's colours here, and we've got Remeoshi colours here. Now, this colour, this brand, I bought this in like Angel one time. And this is like a different type of pen. This is a bit more expensive, I believe. It has a brush flick, and this is like Remeoshi's perfect skin tone. So I can't have my man looking dusty out there. So it's got to be the right type of brown. All right, cool. So we're gonna start this now. Time lapse world now. Bye. Alright, I'm done. I'm just tired. A lot of colouring in. Yep, I see why people are running computers. But yep, so I'll give another look after. But that's basically it. Come out to the background. And that's it next to that. I'll give you guys a closer look now. Alright guys, here we got the original, beautiful. You all know we love this one. Then we got the Stylefile, mark makers, a little bit of light there. Close up on that. It's not bad, not bad. So we got the light. These ones now, I think they're pretty good. Like I said, I got 72 in a pack, so I definitely think like more the same colors is needed so you can get a bit of gradient. But for what you know, you get what you pay for, and it's alright, man. It's alright. I'm happy with it. I'll definitely be using these for character designs. Alright, guys, man, this is my last entry. So, Stylefile markers. But they're pretty good, man. Good felt tips, good colouring tools. You're gonna get what you pay for, so they're pretty good. I got 72 in a pack. There's ones that you got 100 and something. I think when you want to really have a good blend of tones, you will need more colours. But they're alcohol, by the way, so they're alcohol-based markers. But they're pretty good. Definitely like them. We'll be using them. Well, I'll pay for them now, so I got to. And yeah, so look up on the Instagram to see me using them for like character designs and stuff like that. I will definitely be sticking with digital illustration, but these are definitely good to kind of, you know, expand your drawing and sketching and character design and colour. So it's good, man. Alright guys, so if you want to get a pack, links in the bio. I would suggest getting, for colour tones, getting a separate one for colour tones. These are good for your basic blues, greys, stuff like that. So yeah, I'll suggest getting a colour tone pack separate. Alright, cool. Bye.